Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Find X3 Pro, and let me share with you how to change this navigation type with the buttons to the gestures. So let's start with opening the settings and then scroll down to find system settings. Now let's tap on system navigation, and as you can see here we've got the gestures. Before we will set it, as you can see, you can customize the buttons. So if you will decide that you want to use the buttons, you can customize them here just by reordering the power the back button and the reset. Alright, so let's tap on the gestures. You can go through the tutorial if you want to. I don't want to do it because I already know how to do it. I will explain everything, which is more, we've got this animation here. Alright, so immediately instead the three buttons, we've got this line which is responsible for particular gestures. You can hide it just by using this option, and I prefer this look. Here we can decide whether we want to feel the vibration on the back navigation, switch to previous apps, mistouch prevention, and the gesture tutorial. Up to you. Alright, so in order to get back to the previous page, just like by using the back button, we have to swipe our finger from the side to the center of our device, and it does not really matter. You can do it from the left and the right side, it works the same. If you can see this arrow, simply release the finger and you will go back. If you want to go back directly to the home page, simply swipe your finger from the bottom to the center. It should be a short and a quick motion, just like that. And if you want to open the recent, the same motion, but make it longer, just like that. And after releasing the finger, you can see the recents. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.